Hello, everybody. If you're a Mac user, I just want to quickly show you how to add in the data analysis ToolPak for Excel. So make sure that you have Excel open. You can just open up a brand new book. It doesn't matter. And on the Mac, we're going to go up to the top, the toolbar that doesn't really look like it's part of Excel. It looks like it's part of your Mac. But it should have options for Excel. That's the program that's open. We want to go over to Tools, and we want to go all the way to the bottom to Excel add-ins. And when we click Excel add-ins, a little dialog box is going to pop up. There's only 2 add-ins available for the Mac version of Excel. We want to add the analysis tool pack. We're not going to use Solver in this class, but it's a nice thing to use eventually, but don't worry about it for this class. And then just hit OK. And to double check that this has worked, my computer's thinking for a little bit. To double check that this has worked, go into the Excel data ribbon. And when you go all the way over to the right, there should be a little button that says data analysis. And when you click this, you're going to see a dialog box open up again with a lot of different analysis things that you can do in Excel. The only one we're going to be using for this course is the regression one. And that's part of what the content's going to be in our lecture coming up, how to use and interpret this regression add-on to Excel.